What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on ONDO. So if you are interested what I am currently thinking about this coin, what are the exact trading setups that I'm planning to take here, and what is the exact price that I'm expecting this coin is gonna hit, then definitely watch this video till the end. Let's start today's analysis on a 12-hour chart. If you don't know me, my name is FJ, I've been trading crypto for more than 8 years and I am a swing trader. Actually, last position that I took on this coin was on the level 0.251, and I think I bought it, for example, somewhere around here, something like that after this bullish order block retest. So overall, my last trade was in a profit around like 15-16% of a net market. But right now we are retesting this bearish order block area. And if we are gonna see a breakout with a support confirmation, I am actually expecting here another move up, which will give us a potential long opportunity. This bearish order block is between level 0.520 and 0.480. So as I said, if there will be breakout with a support confirmation, I want to place my stop loss under this bearish order block, because if after a breakout and then a support confirmation, there will be breakdown with the resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down. So there is no point of like holding this losing position longer than it's necessary. Last take profit targets in this case will be under this previous important high, because you can see this whole area is simply an important resistance. So the potential profit is around like 116% of a net market, which is giving us around, with a stop loss around like 9% of a net market, this is giving us risk reward ratio up to 12.98. Definitely this is not gonna be your final risk reward ratio, because in a trade like this you want to take multiple take profit targets, and in this video I will reveal everything about this trading setup. But first of all, if you want to be part of my Discord community and you want to get access to all of the coins that I'm currently watching, you can join my public group for completely free. I am sharing their setups that I'm watching every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. So let's now get back to this long setup on a 12-hour chart. As I said, I'm watching here this bearish order block, and I want to see a breakout with a support confirmation before I am taking this long position. So at least two candles on a 12-hour chart need to close above this area. As I said, stop loss under this bearish order block. You don't want to hold this long position after simply breakdown. So this is simply your must-have stop loss. And also you want to take here multiple take profit targets. First profits, I would take, let's say, somewhere around this previous important low and this previous important high. So let's say around the level 0.548, something like that. Then some profits around this area of increased liquidity. Then something under this previous important highs, around this previous important lows, which was like previously an important support, and then you can save some back to a last take profit target. So for this 116% move, I would take around like 7 take profit targets, something like that, which is giving us really great potential profit and really great potential risk reward ratio. I think from the risk reward ratio 13, if all of the profits will be hit, I think we will drop to like 7.5, something like that, which is in my opinion still really good trading setup. Also, another important thing, after first take profit target will be hit, move your stop loss to a small profit, so there is like no way of you turning this let's say profitable position into a loss. And this doesn't mean that you will move your stop loss to entry, but because already you will take some of the profits, you can still will be in like a small profit if you will place your stop loss under the original entry. You definitely understand what I'm saying. So this is my basic strategy about this trade. But again, most likely I will be sharing this potential trading setup also in my Discord group. So if you want to be part of this, link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's now take a look on a daily time frame, because here you can take almost the exact same setup. You can see that this bearish order block is slightly bigger. So you will have here no stop loss around, let's say 8.9% of a net market, but your stop loss will be most likely around like 10% of a net market. So if you want to trade this on a daily time frame, you want to wait here for a breakout and then a support confirmation on a daily time frame. So it's actually taking like 2 days to confirm here this support confirmation. But in my opinion, if there will be a support confirmation also on a daily chart, this setup is having much higher probability that this trade will be successful, and like rest of the take profit targets or like rest of the trade will be exactly the same. You want to take last profits under this previous important highs. So even on a daily time frame, this is giving us really sweet potential profit. As I said, my last trade I took somewhere around these levels, but my profit on this was around 15% of net market, because as I said, after I'm taking some of the profits, I'm moving my stop loss like to at least a small profit. So for example, I took this long position here, I took like 3 take profit targets on the way up, and after this price drop like slightly under the original entry, my trade was stopped in like it was pretty decent profit because I already took like 3 take profit targets, but you get the point. And although in this coin, this wasn't like in backtesting, this wasn't the best strategy in the long run. This is, in my opinion, the best strategy you can do if you want to take multiple take profit targets, but you still want to be able to hit higher risk reward ratio trades. If we are gonna take a look on a 4-hour chart, you can see we are having this bearish order block and this bullish order block areas. So on a 4-hour chart, I am not watching any interesting trading setups. On a weekly time frame, you can see we don't have here any important areas. And if I'm gonna switch on a 1-hour chart, again, closest potential bullish order block is here between level 0.353 and 0.344. So if there will be eventually like a retest, liquidity, pullback up, support confirmation, this can be a decent long entry. But as I said, I'm a swing trader, and the, let's say, lowest time frames that I'm trading are 4-hour chart time frame. So yeah, this is my basic strategy. And here, to enter some long position on a 4-hour chart, I would need to see here a retest of this bullish order block, which means that there would be a drop around like 32.5% of net market. And honestly, I'm not expecting something like this will happen. So let's now take a look to a long-term price prediction. So for this, I will be using a daily time frame, and I switched to USD chart because I simply need a better history. But right now, this coin is having pretty interesting bullish volumes. And you can see for the past couple of days, this was a pump around like 100% of a net market. So there is definitely interesting bullish momentum. On the other hand, we are testing important resistance. So right now, if we are gonna see your breakout and then a support confirmation of this bearish order block, I think in the long run we can go on a higher levels. But simply, if we will be under this important resistance, it's, in my opinion, like not a good idea to take here some long position on a spot portfolio, because you will be simply longing an important resistance. But if there will be breakout with a support confirmation and we will get into an alt season, I think this coin can realistically hit something around $1.8, something like that, which would mean from this breakout additional profit around like 250% of a net market. Probably this is not that optimistic prediction like I was, for example, seeing on some YouTube channels, because I know that a lot of people are, for example, saying that this coin is gonna hit like 10, 20, $30 mark, something like that. I don't think this is the case, because you can see like if there will be a pump to a $10 mark, this would mean a potential profit around 2,300% of a net market, and I simply think this is not happening. So this is my main price prediction, and definitely let me know in the comments what are your exact thoughts about this coin and what is the exact price that you think this coin is gonna hit. Do I plan to buy this coin to my long-term spot portfolio? Probably not, even if we will be retesting like lower levels, because I simply think there are better altcoins we can currently buy. But as I said, let me know in the comments your opinion and your exact price prediction. So to summarize that, the best potential thing we can trade here, or like the best potential setup we can take here, is, in my opinion, on a 12-hour chart after a breakout and then a support confirmation of this bearish order block. Then your last take profit target can be somewhere around like this previous important highs or like this previous important highs. So there can be a potential profit around like 115% of a net market. So hey guys, this will be all from me for today. As I said, if you want to be part of my Discord community, link to join is in the description or in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.